Hey guys, this is Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Holiday season is usually the best time to replace an old laptop because you feel its limits more as games, apps, and AI tools keep moving forward. The Vector 16 HX AI with NVIDIA RTX 50 series graphics card and Intel Core Ultra 200 HX is built for that moment, when you want to stop patching an old setup and move to something that can keep up for the next few years. Now, this laptop focuses on real gains you can actually experience, faster GPU and VRAM, smarter AI features, a more useful screen shape, and storage speeds that keep up with big files and heavy projects. And because it balances productivity and gaming, you can close your IDE or maybe spreadsheet without feeling like you are using the wrong tool. Hey guys, this is Gian of Gadget Pilipinas, and these are my thoughts about the new MSI Vector 16 HX AI. The MSI Vector 16 HX AI has a Cosmos gray exterior that looks clean and solid, so it fits in a work setup or gaming room without standing out in the wrong way. The nebula blue hinge adds a small but recognizable accent, giving the laptop a clear identity without overdoing the styling. Now, the translucent WASD case, or WASD, however you want to call it, with 24 zone per key RGB lighting are a good example of design that is both visual and also practical. The keys stand out just enough for gaming while still being easy to type on for long writing or video editing sessions, at least for me. Inside, the MSI Vector 16 HX AI can be configured with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 series laptop GPUs, which are built on faster GDDR7 memory. GDDR7 offers higher bandwidth than GDDR6, which helps with both modern ray trace games and heavy AI or content creation workloads that need to move lots of data quickly. We also downloaded a few games like Battlefield 6 and Stellar Blade to maximize the capabilities of the RTX 50 series graphics card on the Vector 16 HX AI. And with these games, I can definitely say that I'm pleased with the performance thanks to DLSS 4. Now, DLSS 4 is another big step using 5th generation tensor cores and a new optical flow accelerator to generate extra frames and improve image quality using AI. This means you can push high resolutions and visual settings while keeping smoother frame rates, especially in newer games like the ones I mentioned that would struggle on older GPUs. Now, the RTX 50 series in the Vector 16 HX AI is also designed for more than graphics. It is tuned for on-device small language models, or SLMs. The combination of high tops on the GPU and bandwidth of GDDR7 lets the laptop run AI assistants, meeting summarizers, writing tools, and game helpers locally instead of sending everything to remote servers. We've seen a couple of these features during my visit to MSI's booth at CES last January 2025, and since then, it has further matured to something that is, actually very useful in real-life settings. Now, in practice, this means quicker responses, better privacy, and smoother integration into your workflows. You can have real-time AI support while editing, gaming, or studying without tanking performance for everything else you are doing on the machine. Apps like LM Studio, which is my personal favorite, allows for downloading SLMs like Qwen, Mistral, and OpenAI that run well on the Vector 16 HX AI. Also, MSI's own MSI AI robot helps tweak laptop settings by simply, chatting with it. Now, the MSI Vector 16 HX AI is built on Intel Core Ultra 200 HX Arrow Lake HX processor with 24 cores. That's 8 performance cores and 16 efficiency cores. And it has an integrated NPU for AI tasks. This gives it desktop-class performance in a laptop form factor, plus support for features like Thunderbolt 5 and DDR5 6400 memory that keep the entire system responsive. Now, storage is handled by support for PCIe Gen 5 SSDs with read speeds of up to 12,000 megabytes per second, and MSI adds a dedicated cooling copper pipe just for the Gen 5 SSD to maintain those speeds under sustained load. You can also combine a Gen 5 drive with a Gen 4 drive for more space while still keeping a very fast main drive for your OS and key apps. Now, to keep everything stable, the Vector 16 HXAI uses an updated Cooler Boost 5 system with larger fans, wider heat pipes, and an extra heat pipe dedicated to the PCIe Gen 5 SSD. Now, this cooling design is meant to handle long gaming sessions and rendering jobs without sharp thermal throttling. With MSI Overboost technology, the laptop can push up to 180 watts combined, that's around 115 watts to the GPU and 65 watts to the CPU, under extreme performance modes. That power budget matters when you are running ray trace games, 3D rendering, or AI workloads that stress both CPU and GPU at the same time. Now, the 16-inch screen on the Vector 16 HXAI uses a 16:10 aspect ratio, which gives more vertical space than the usual 16:9 panels. That extra height lets you see more lines in documents, codes, or timelines, so you scroll less and keep more context on screen while working. It supports QHD resolution up to 240 Hz refresh rate and up to 100% DCI-P3 on IPS level panels, so it stays sharp and smooth for both content and games. With up to 3 display outputs, including HDMI 2.1 and USB-C with DisplayPort, you can build a full multi-monitor setup at home while still enjoying a strong built-in panel on the go. Now, this laptop also includes a long list of small but useful hardware features that complete the package. You get Wi-Fi 7, making it future-ready, and also Bluetooth 5.4 for faster and more stable wireless connections, plus up to 2.5G Ethernet for low-latency wired use. There are multiple USB-A ports, Thunderbolt 5 options, HDMI 2.1, a full-size SD card slot for creators and editors, and an audio combo jack along with an IR FHD webcam with a physical shutter for privacy. Audio is handled by dual 2-watt speakers with high-res audio support and Nahimic enhancements, and a Kensington lock slot adds basic physical security in shared spaces. So as you can see, this laptop is actually really stacked. Now, if your current laptop struggles with new games, chokes on large projects, or cannot make good use of AI tools, staying on it for another year will only feel more, limiting. The Vector 16 HXAI, powered by NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 series laptop GPU, GDDR7, DLSS 4 capable, PCIe Gen 5 storage, and a 16:10 display, gives you a machine that feels ready for where games, apps, and AI tools are going, not where they were a few years ago. Upgrading this holiday season means you start the new year with one system that can handle work, study, content creation, and gaming in a single package. And because the design, performance, and also the features are well balanced, in my opinion, you are not just buying raw specs, you are actually getting a laptop that fits into daily life and stays useful for a long time. Also, need I remind you that the pricing of memories and SSDs will start to increase the next few months, which makes it wiser to buy a laptop with higher capacity memories now if your finances permit. Well, that's it for our video today. Special thanks to MSI Philippines for partnering with us on this video. For more information on where to buy their laptops, check out the description below. We've got some links for you to check out. These links are not affiliate links, so we won't receive anything from your purchases. Again, this has been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!